2 cups, 1 chair. You left your laughter hanging in the air. Photos in frames turned to the wall. I press your old sweater like it might still call. You were my postcard in the rain, ink running down but I still read your name. Every blurred letter still says forever. You were my quiet hurricane, soft but you tore right through my days. Now every little echo spells your name, your name. Bus stop at 4, same street, new code. Our shadows once braided, now it's just mine alone. I hum that old chorus you used to get wrong. Catch my own reflection mouthing your favorite song. You are my postcard in the rain, ink running down but I still read your name. Every blurred letter still says forever. You were my quiet hurricane, soft but you tore right through my day. Every little echo spells your name, your name. Tell me, do you still count wishes in the dark? Do you ever trace my outline in your heart? I'm standing in the downpour, hands open, eyes closed. If love is just a season, why can't I let you go? You were my postcard in the rain, ink running down but I still hold your name. Every blurred letter still aches forever. You were my quiet hurricane, soft but you tore right through my days. If time can heal the edges, why do